Hey friends, Zen Kahuna here, and Coach Tara is going to film for me today for a little bit. I want to show you an advanced pendulum move that involves your basic side circle, but done while you're walking, and specifically doing a cross crawl pattern, that is opposite arm and leg, right? So let's take a look about how to mount these when you've got one in each hand. So you just come up from your elbows and swing them back and forward, boom, and Bob's your uncle. All right, then we're going to take our first step. Since I'm going to use my right arm, I'm going to step forward with my left leg. Now I'm going to step forward with my right, so I'm going to use my left arm. Can you imagine this one, Tara?
No, this is so, like, it's freaking my brain out just watching you do it.
It's interesting because it's so challenging at a neuromuscular level and joint and sinew, but it's really that neurological component that I find the most interesting.
Yeah, well, I can totally see it.
So I'm going to come right at you.
Okay?
Now, very few people are using pendulums at this point. However, trust me, as a Zen Kahuna, and those of you that have seen me from my first channel up to this one that's like over 13 years, you know I come up with some good stuff. Trust me. This, if you haven't gotten your double ball staff, certainly get your double ball staffs first. Start getting proficient with those. Then get yourself a pendulum, right? If you're silly, get yourself two. I'm silly, I got two. So it's fun, it's challenging. It's a great additional tool to use that prepares you for doing all the heavy kettlebells, all the heavy steel clubs, all the heavy steel maces, your heavier sandbags, all that sort of stuff. It gives you the foundations, those essential neurological and neuromuscular foundations that are going to make you be able to do this for a long, long time and feel filled with vitality.